of its student. It was a bright festive day for the children of the God's Dream Children's Home in Pinthorba as the state BJP Mahila Morcha, led by its president Susuki Paryat, organized a pre-Christmas celebration there to spread the message of love. The women's team was accompanied by the Cabinet Minister A.L. Hek, Party Chief Spokesperson M. Kharkrang, State Youth Secretary Meith Taryang, Pastor Crosslyn Marbanyang and other prominent citizens. The event created sheer delight amongst those watching, especially little ones who could not mask their glee. Their joy increased as A.L. Hek handed out blankets and other gifts items. Adding to the merriment, All Meghalaya Dancers Association performed during the festivities. Kenneth Maulong and Gary Kinshing Kar enthralled the audience as they grooved to peppy beats and made everyone shake a leg. Along the melodious voice of Priscilla Masi added the enchanting environment, the visiting members addressed the children with a few words of encouragement, motivating and advice for the future.